So let's try adding han and hun to nouns, right? You already know what it's like, or you already know how to do, or what will happen when you add an or han depending on the stress or the vowel, an or han to verbs, right? And that's gonna express the circumstantial focus. But what happens if we add an or han to nouns? And nouns, the key word here are nouns. Well, it makes it so that the nouns make it into a place of action, right? So on our first definition, right, for an or han plus nouns, we get something called a place of action, right? The place where something is being done, right? Which is down here, or the second one, place where something is done, found, located, held, or acted in. Okay, again, a place, right? So a place. What is a place? Well, a place is a noun, right? That's why we have to have nouns. So we make these nouns into places now, which are still nouns, where things are being done, located, found, held, whatever, right? An action is going on in that place. And here are the examples. This is going to be a really quick video, right? Kape. And kape means coffee. We get kapehan if we add it, right? And we add han because of that vowel at the end of kape, right? And there's no glottal stop with kape, so we get kapehan. What else is here? So kapehan is a place where coffee is being made, or coffee is being done, or a place where coffee is done, a place where coffee is found, where it's located, where you can buy coffee. It's just a place where coffee is located at, right? Where you can buy it, make it, sell it, whatever. The next word is ajedrez, right? Ajedrez. And ajedrez is chess, right? The game of chess. So you can play the game of chess, right? But if we add it as if we add an to it, ajedrezan, right? Ajedrezan. Ajedrezan means a chessboard, right? It's a place now where chess is being played in, right? Ajedrezan is a chessboard, or a place where chess pieces are being played on, right? It's a place where chess is being done. Humai is our next one, and humai means like rice, or like where rice is like the plant, the rice plant itself, right? Humayan is now a place where rice is being grown, so we get rice field or some sort of rice paddy with Humayan, right? Escuela, yay! So escuela means school, right? Escuelahan is a place where you do your studies, right? Boom. Tinda is a store. Tindahan is a place now where you can purchase your goods, buy your goods, sell your goods. It's just a place where that transaction is being done. Tad, I wanted to put this one there because tad, again, that letter da, right? The da. Tad means to chop, right? So where do we chop our things? Where do we chop stuff, right? We chop it in a chopping board, which is now called a tadtaran, right? Tadtaran. Remember that da with the morphological process and morphology, right? In morphological process, that da changes to a ra, right? Ra. So we get tadtaran instead of tadtadan. It doesn't sound right. Tadtadan, no, tadtaran. So tadtaran is a chopping board, where a place where we do our chopping. And lastly, we have utan, which means vegetables, right? Like those green leafy vegetables, utan, right? And utanan means a place where vegetables are located. So, okay, well, if you want to go shopping, where's the area where you can find the vegetables? Utanan. Okay, so utanan banda. Oh, in the vegetables area, the vegetable side, right? A place where vegetables are located, or vegetables are placed, or vegetables are held, whatever, where vegetables are found. And again, this is a really quick video for the an and han with nouns. Again, with nouns, not verbs.